I love this. The light was leaving in the west, it was blue. The children's laughter sang and skipping just like the stones that they threw. The voices echoed across the waves. It's getting late.
It was just another night with the sunset and the moonrise, not so far behind to give us just enough light to lay down underneath the stars and listen to Papa's translations of the stories across the sky. Drew our own constellations. The west winds often last too long. When they calm down, nothing ever feels the same. Sheltered under the commodity tree, waiting for the passing rain. Clouds keep moving to uncover the sea. Stars above us chasing the day away to find the stories that we sometimes need. Listen close enough where all else fades away. It was just another night with the sunset and the moonrise, not so far behind to give us just enough light to lay down underneath the stars. Listen to Papa's translations of the stories across the sky. Drew our own constellation.